Ulat ubatamai Jong Jylla Chandrasekhar H. Vijayashankar ong baula tip shapang kimat kibakta yak Jylla badda kababu hakmat yakini kimat ong ma unsa persyang banle ban ai yak jingbishar hok yaki. Hakhlieh pat kaliang da ka jingtmu ban long ulat jong kipat ba nong shong shnong ka Jylla Vijayashankar ong ba omdon ka no kamat shimet lani kimat ki baidei ba ki kamsan perthai namar uphai kmat sha ka Jingkiew jong ka Jylla. Ong ru ba ka Thong ba Hakhlieh do ka Jong kadai ka roy ka par jong ka Jylla bat onyele bandon ka jingetrei lang bat ka sarkar Jylla.
Twice I have been visited to Meghalaya. Once I had come here, but obviously I have never been an artist media. This is the first time I am going to address here. Accordingly, I know the regional issues, all those issues keep in the mind. Let us try to do and give justice to them. I take everybody into confidence here, not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence and only development. I know any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. I know any personal agenda. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve this state as a governor. That's all my responsibility.